What if I told you cars will no longer be and drones will be flying cars? Would you believe me? Drones in smart cities, that's what we're going to talk about today. Welcome to the future. The future is now. Drones are the eye in the sky, and they can also be called UAVs or unmanned aerial vehicles. And they are more than just toys. So you can range from small to large, carrying payloads, making deliveries, taking photography, all kinds of things you can do with a drone. First things first, keeping our city standing tall. We're going to talk about drones and how they provide cost effective and efficient ways to inspect and maintain infrastructure like bridges, roads, power lines, and skyscrapers. They have the ability to capture high resolution images and be able to detect issues before they even come to about. I would rather send a drone up a skyscraper than a person. That way it's more safe and less cost and less risk associated with that service. Traffic. If you think about futuristic, traffic is always a problem no matter where you live, how big or small your city is. But what if you could use a drone to be able to detect the eye in the sky, bird's eye view of traffic to help with congestions, give you an alternate route, kind of like your GPS system to kind of guide you along the city. It also can be used to support emergency services like ambulance, fire, police officers for emergency response and quicker response times. And also, it can provide real time data that can be able to help make decisions and improve traffic flow. Public safety and security. Well, I have a background in the military, and this is where I learned to become a drone pilot. And this is how you would use it to enhance public safety, whether it's crowds, events, search and rescue operations, and surveillance activities. Also, it can give you a bird's eye view of what it's like before you put yourself in danger as law enforcement officials. You can use it also to locate lost children and to help police deliver new guidelines and guardians of public safety and offering a helping hand in the sky. Environmental monitoring. Why is this important? Well, first thing first, we all need to breathe, and the air that we breathe has to be checked for quality and assessments, and it can be used by drones, as well as water assessments. That way, you can be able to live safely and healthy life. So, environmental policies can be used and enforced through drone monitoring, and also it provides an eye in the sky to be able to watch over to make sure the environment is in the air that we breathe is clear and a-okay. Delivery and logistics. Most people still would love to have same day delivery, next day delivery. It's not snail mail anymore. So now you can just load packages, whether it's critical supplies, medicines, all different types of things, and deliver it right to your doorstep with the use of drones and smart cities. So it has huge potential to become the next revolutionizing Uber or other type of transportation that you can use. Maybe even like the Jetsons, have an air taxi with a drone. Urban planning and development. So think of it as designing and development a city and urban spaces. You'd be able to use a drone to kind of help construction progress, map out areas, and use simulations to kind of drive what the future is going to look like, all through the use of a drone. The data can be collected and you can build a more sustainable living and for your future. Disaster response and recovery. In the aftermath of natural disasters, drones can rapidly be deployed to assess damage, survey, and kind of give you that look of putting yourself out there to be able to understand what the situation on the ground is like without being on the ground because of the safety and the damage that could be done. You can use it as a damage assessment and provide recovery efforts to allocate resources. Let's say you want to deliver water to a place that is out of water. You'd be able to look and see the best route, what areas have been affected by the natural disaster or emergency, and kind of navigate around that as well. And kind of help communities get back to the way of life prior to the event. Enhancing connectivity. Think about it, using drones as a booster to use for Wi Fi, cell tower signals, all different types of transmissions in the digital age, and technology, internet, whatever it may be, requires connectivity, and drones can be that bridge to the new world of digital cities and smart cities. Everything needs to be connected, and drones can provide that connectivity. Other than that, thanks for watching this channel. I hope you learned something about drones and eco-friendly drone flying, and that way you can stay tuned for more. Other than that, thank you for watching. See you when I see you. Appreciate your time.